Hi there, I'm here at Embedded World 2025 and I'm on the DigiKey booth, and joining me right now is Goran, who is the Senior Sales Executive at Calian. And today we're going to be talking about GNSS antennas and anti-jamming antennas. But before we do that, would you like to introduce yourself for us?
Yes, my name is Goran Jedrejcic. I'm, as you said, Calian Sales Executive for Europe, based in Munich, and I'm happy to be here.
Fantastic, it's great to have you. Yeah. So can you give us a brief introduction to Calian as a company and what your key areas of expertise are?
Right. Calian is an Ottawa-based company active in different areas, like defense, healthcare, education, engineering, satellite, and so on and so on. So covering many areas. Right.
Fantastic.
And
Excellent, good start. So how does Calian GNSS fit into the company's broader portfolio?
Right, Calian GNSS is a sub of a Calian, and we are developing and manufacturing GNSS antennas for wide use of applications.
And the antennas are 100% made in Canada. So what benefit does that bring to you and your customers?
Right. So I think nowadays it's quite important, where the goods are made, and made in Canada means reliable supply, high quality, and delivery just in time.
Yeah, brilliant. And your technology enables down to millimeter accuracy. So how does this level of precision compare to other solutions on the market?
Right. So we the precision in a GNSS world, so basically location is a quite important part. It's not only precision, it's also reliability of the precision. So we manufacture different types of antennas which come down to half millimeter accuracy.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is really then depending on which application, which industry, we can serve almost virtually any industry which require precise and reliable outdoor positioning.
And what would you say sets Calian GNSS antennas apart in terms of quality and warranty?
Right. So it's very important for us. As said, we all manufacture all in our plant. So every antenna is really carefully inspected before leaving the plant, and we also grant a 3 years warranty to our antenna, meaning how much we take quality as an important part of our offer.
Fantastic. Right. And can you walk us through some of your key applications that your products are suitable for?
Wow, yes. Well, wherever you need a precise position outdoor, it's us. So currently it's more like unmanned systems. So you have UGV UAVs for broad applications. You have systems like precise agriculture, construction, machine guidance. Marine is a big one. So I can basically name more applications. Nowadays it's really like location is everywhere. So
okay, fantastic. We could spend hours talking about that, I'm sure.
it's exactly. This is it's a big one.
And what kind of integration services and support do you provide your customers when they're adopting your technology?
Right. So antennas are kind of something where you receive the satellite signal. It means it has to be on the top of something. And some antennas you can just put, bolt on the unit, but some has to be embedded, integrated, like lawn mowers and or some drones, And then it's not trivial. So we are basically helping our customers to install and mount that antenna properly inside the hood, and basically. For that high perform to enable high performance.
Okay.
Right.
And following on from that, then GNSS jamming and spoofing has become a growing concern globally. And can you provide an overview of the current threat landscape, and particularly in areas like Eastern Europe and USA and Asia?
Right. So GNSS is a quite fragile technology. You can jam it easily. You can simply, and then there are two major technology. One is jamming, which means you can just destroy the signal. There you receive nothing. Other is more like it's kind of spoofing is something faking your position,
right? Which
can lead to really fatal situations. So, due to global conflicts, not only in East Europe, like Baltic, Black Sea, and some countries, you have also several issues in the East Mediterranean, around Korea, South Korea, North Korea, and elsewhere. In the US, we typically see jamming by private people who simply don't, or truck drivers who don't want to be tracked by the employees. So they also jam. But the problem is, if they come close to the airports, you have a havoc. So it's really like becoming very problematic. And so it becomes a global problem.
So what solutions are you offering to help tackle the spamming and the jamming?
Right. So what you want to do is there are few part of the chains you would like to protect. The first one is antenna, because you want to prevent that antenna get that James signal and process and pass it further. So we have a few technologies, different type of technologies, so-called FERPA, so fixed reception pattern antenna and controlled reception pattern antenna, which then basically block the jammer signals and still leaving the user or GPS receiver, able to work. The other one, the so-called SERPA, is the one which is not only blocking that jammer beam, but also telling you, hey, there is a jamming and your jammer is there, which is giving you like a unique situational awareness. You know that you're jammed and you know from where. So it is something really kind of like, say, a small revolution in that area.
Fantastic. And finally then, before we wrap up, can you tell us about your partnership with DigiKey and how you see that benefiting your customers?
Right. So DigiKey is our long-time partner, and we have I wouldn't say hundreds and thousands of engineers, who basically first time source our antennas over DigiKey, and then basically build it into their design, and then really go into production, and where then also DigiKey is helping us. So I would say it's really a long time fruitful collaboration.
Excellent, good to hear. So thank you very much for your insights. It's been a real pleasure speaking with you, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.